Hello everyone, welcome to ElliotWave-Forecast.com YouTube channel. So here's a quick update from the long term. This is PSLV. This is the Sprott Management Physical Silver Trust, which is the alternative to the SLV, which is the silver ETF. This is the physically backed silver trust, okay, managed by the Sprott management. Now here we are looking at the long time frame, right? Weekly. We can see we have been breaking to new high. Very nice, very strong rally since 2022. We are currently calling it this way. So this is your 1 and 2 finish. We are now within with 3. Now this could be 1 of 3 or this could be with 3, right? So it's either ending 1 of 3 if you want to be more bullish, or it could be ending 3 here, which is less bullish but equally bullish. Okay, now if you look at it from here, from this low, it does kind of look like it has a 3 ways up here, right? Now what I'm trying to say is there is another possibility where you can get even more bullish by calling maybe, you know, 3 and 4 here, but I don't think with 5 here that makes sense because it's very strong here, right? It's very strong and no divergence at all compared to the with 3. So it looks like this is 3 here and this is a 4. So that means we are in the final leg with 5, which is making sense because we have divergence right now. And within this with 5, from measure from this low, December 2024, we already have 3 ways up here. 1, 2, and then now looking to end 3, right? So that means we should be looking for 4 and a 5, one more leg, right? So we should be looking for pullback, but then after that, one more leg to finish a 5 ways up from here. Then I think there is a chance to finish this cycle. And then when that cycle finishes, we can yet get another bigger pullback again to correct this entire rally from December 2024. It can even technically go back to wave 4 of 1 lesser degree, which is to, you know, to $15. But let's see how. It doesn't necessarily have to do that, but we are looking for a bigger pullback 3 waves to correct this entire rally here. Okay, so that is the idea. Or another option will be that this is ending 3 from this low. So then the wave 4 is going to be just a wave 4 pullback, which is not going to be a big pullback because it's a wave 4 pullback. In any case, it's bullish, right? There's no question it is bullish, and we don't like selling. It's just a matter of what sort of degree of correction can we expect to happen for PSLV before it continues to go higher again. All right, so that's a quick update here. So this is part of the blocks that we from time to time write, which is not something that we cover in our service. PSL we don't cover it, but we do cover silver spot in group 1. So if you like to see more updates, especially in the shorter cycle, check out our service. We have 14 days trial, and use the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.